Picking for production. We select the multi-TO application in our OLES menu to execute picking for production. This transaction is customizable to a great extent and provides with the option to execute individual workloads. In our case, these workloads are open transfer orders that are categorized into different processes. Categorization of the TOs into different processes makes it easy for the user to manage workloads, which in turn leads to increased efficiency in warehouse operations. The assignment of an open TO to a process is done in our own customizing. You can assign by movement type, stock category, special movement indicator, storage location, SU type, source and destination storage type. For each process, we can now define which background checks have to be performed in order to ensure consistency and accuracy of data. Define what must be scanned, what can be altered, what information is displayed in our grids, and what additional screens are required. These configurations are done using simple table settings without the need for complex programming. We can even show that there are activities overdue by changing the color of the button. The different colors could be used to help prioritize the activities. The time and color are customizable, and even the multiple levels of overdue are customizable. We now select the production pick by cart option on the screen. In this transaction, the items are first picked onto a cart and later dropped off in the supply area. This allows us to pick multiple orders in a single trip through the warehouse, thereby improving picking efficiency. We have an option to apply a filter or group the list of open TOs using any field in the grid as the criteria. This reduces the workload to a manageable size and makes it easy for the user to manage the workloads. Here, we decided to group the list using destination bin. Similar to this, the grid can be customized according to the nature of the fulfillment in the warehouse. Select the workload to be picked and click on the Add button to display the number of documents added and the total number of items to be picked to the cart. Now, clicking on the Start will display the next screen with the TO details. The TO is now selected. Here, the pick SU or cart is entered or scanned. In the confirmation screen, we require the operator to first confirm the material number, followed by the target quantity, and finally the pick SU or the cart. Whenever the requested value matches the entered value, the fields on the screen turn green. If the values do not match, they will turn red. The TO is now confirmed. The item is now picked to the cart or pick SU successfully. This can now be dropped off in the supply area, or we can pick more items to the cart and drop them off together. Let us now confirm the other TOs. We have now picked all items onto the cart. After reaching the supply area, the user now scans the destination bin to confirm the drop-off. The items were dropped off successfully in the supply area, and this ends the picking for production process.